Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live every morning, every day, or every trading day, and the idea is to be the most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. We're on multiple platforms at the same time, and we aim to support people. We're here not to promote or anything whatsoever. What we're doing is sharing our own live real trades. We've got a team of investors around the world. We've got members in 14 different countries: USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, and South Africa. We've got members all around the world who are part of our show. So let's get straight into the trades and give you all the information that you need. All the information is below the videos on the ticker you see, and we're going straight into our first scalp trade of the morning. Okay, it's getting posted now on Twitter. You can take part in the poll. It's there. Go. And here is our first announcement of the morning. Let's go. Let's go straight into it. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. This is our first scalp trade of the morning. Brea Holdings. It is BREA. We've just announced this one. Extremely high risk. Be very, very careful. This is not financial advice. Please do not take this as financial advice. This is real. This is entertainment, but this is my real money. I have just bought in on BREA. This is happening live. There is my live position. What is BREA? Let's have a quick look at it. Let's scroll up and look into the company, what we've just bought. Doesn't really matter. We don't care. The research has been done behind the scenes. We are just buying it to sell it. That's it. But for those of you who want to know what this is, BREA Holdings PLC engages in the business of football division progression, global football player transfer service, sponsorship service, football school services, and consulting services on football projects. The company was founded on June 30th, 2022 and headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. We just bought this one. It's a small market cap of 28 million. Its price earnings ratio is down 22.61. Average volume is 7,000, and the volume today is 360,000. We are in. Okay, we are ready to rock and roll. Are you in this one? So here is the poll on Twitter. Let me give you the poll right now, and I will give it to you right now. Come on, here we go. Drop it in the chat. Here is the poll this morning. Take part. Let me know if you are in with our scalp trade this morning. Okay, this is BREA Holdings. Are you in? Welcome everybody over on TikTok. If you want the information for our scalp trade release, jump in on YouTube right now. We've just put in, I plan to take 10, 20%. We're not looking for 200-300%. These can happen. People do take them, but I don't stay in that long. Okay, so there you go. There's our first scalp trade of the morning. We will come back with you to update you on this video when I trade this out, either for a profit or take a loss if I decide the situation changes. Join us back here for another scalp trade here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay. That is our alert this morning. That will go out as its own video a little bit later on in the morning. And we will come back to that. We will come back to it and watch where we are right now. We might jump out at any point to take a loss on it, or we'll hold it. Okay, well, right now we are in. Let me see if anyone has jumped in on the poll already. Let's have a little look. Let's see if anyone has jumped on this one already. Here is the position. Oh, let me change my screen there. Sometimes the screens change when things are happening too quickly. Right, okay, there we go. This is the poll. Let me know your thoughts. Are you in this one, out with this one? And let me know your thoughts. Okay. Good morning, all. Good morning, Ed. How are you? Let's go for all our positions this morning. And BREA is just up at 43% at the moment. I'm currently down on it, 28%. I jumped in at $5. That was when I got the alert. Malk, good morning. Let's bring all the comments on the screen. Who have we got here? Morning, Mike, Stephen. Hi, Zinc. Hi, Troops. Keaton S. Good morning to you. Hi, Keaton. Ed Nevius. Good morning, all. Malk. Hi, Steve. Ed and Martin, welcome to all of you. Okie dokie. So let's go over to our main positions now, and you can see where we are. Morning, Ed says, Malk, this is the stock we are watching right now. We've just jumped in. There's my overall position. And there is, so you can just see we're about $600 off an all-time high. Anyway, we'll keep it there. If we get any more announcements, we'll bring it to you. Peter Hare this morning, good morning to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Henrik, good morning from, is it Denmark, isn't it? Welcome to you. Welcome to you. Here are all our flags from around the world. We have 14 countries now represented. We have, these are all the countries that are members of our channel. We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, and South Africa. Very, very exciting. We're trying to get to 1 million views by in 21 days, our second anniversary. So here is the short playlist. There's 1,015-second videos in there. Hope you can run those during the show. Open a separate tab. We're not there yet. We've got 100,000 views to go. We're at 900,000 views, and my analytics says we'll get there in about 3 weeks. We're about 1.5 weeks behind our schedule, so hopefully you'll all do that. If you want to, excuse me, follow us on Facebook. We're running on Facebook as well this morning. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers there. There's Facebook. Let me also give you the cash giveaway. Just a few days left to go. We're giving away $100 in cash in just a few days, 3 days time on Friday. There is the cash giveaway if you want to be part of that. Okay. Hi, Martin. What do you believe the price of Virgin Galactic could reach this year and next? $100. Not because it's worth that, because it will trade there. That's exactly what I think. But things have to go well for that to happen. It's a rocket company. Things go bad. We don't know. It belongs in my portfolio, though. Anyway, welcome everybody this morning. If you've just tuned in this morning, smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. And as always, tap that like button. Welcome everybody in New Zealand. Fantastic. We haven't got a member from New Zealand yet. If you pop into YouTube, you could be our first member of New Zealand. We're trying to get a member in every single country of the world. So far, we have 14 countries represented on our show. The link's in the profile, youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. All right, let's get straight into it. We're watching our scalp trade this morning. Brea, it's just down at the moment. We're just watching it, not doing anything with it at the moment. We've got the S&P is down slightly. Virgin Galactic is down 1.35. Rivian is down 0.99. Tesla is down today. Of course, we've got the FOMC report just a few days away now. On the 14th of June, we'll be covering it live. That's what the uncertainty is all about. Apple yesterday, it was a classic buy the rumor, sell the news. However, I bought some more, and I'm up 8.2% on it at the moment. I like it. I think Apple's got a great future. I love what they're doing with their headset. It's not a headset at all. It's a TV, it's a sound system, it's a computer, it's everything all in one. I like it. Anyway, we're coming up to, I think, ex-dividend day is in the next couple of days with Coca-Cola. So we're all in on Coca-Cola right now as well. It's 6% of my main account and it's 9% of my Roth IRA. Okay. Good morning, everyone, says Eric B. We've got our first scalp trade this morning we are running. This is it right now. We put an announcement out earlier, and this is the one we are doing just to give everyone fair warning. This is extremely high risky stuff, and we're in it right now. Here it is. This is it. This is the stock we are in, and it is Bray. BRE. This is the information. Okay. We are holding it at the moment. We're not out of it yet. So just be very, very careful if you decide to jump in. We are running a poll on our chat, on our Twitter feed right now. I'd like your thoughts on it. Are you in with this one? Are you not? Let me share. We got 3 votes and 66%. So 2 of you are no, 1 of you is. I am in as well, but I can't vote on it. There you go. So if you want to go and vote on that, let me give you the link and leave me your thoughts as well. Leave me your thoughts below. Now, if you want to know why we're in this and why we're doing these things, more importantly is education, then you need to go to Sensei Crypto's website where you'll get all our information of where all these tips come from and why we do them. Okay, there is the link in the chat. Silver Surfer, a member for 6 months, watching from the hot tub, sunny Cornwall, absolutely lovely. Member for 6 months, you've got a nice yellow badge, fantastic. Welcome to you, Connor Keats. Good morning, Connor Keats. If you smash the like button and follow us on Facebook right now, your name will come up on the screen. A fancy animation if you do that. If you like the stream, you will see a fancy animation. So go ahead and do that. Good morning, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Good morning to you. Our overall position. Let me go back to 75% of you are not in this one. Okay. Let's see how it pans out. Glad to see you here. Let's visit our guest on Facebook. Let me just say hello to you. I also want to welcome our guests on Rumble this morning as well. There you go. That's what it will look like, Connor, if you smash the like on the video right now. You're watching me on... if you want that to happen for you, Connor, smash the like on Facebook. There you go. That's how it works. All right. And if you follow us on Facebook as well, you'll become a follower as well. All right. So there's lots of integration you can be in. Silver Surfer, a member now.
The Silver Surfer has become a member. Watching from the hot tub, sunny Cornwall.
Hey, very nice indeed. Got a great announcement there. How are you, Martyn Lucas Investor? I'm very well indeed, Connor. It's lovely to have you here. Fantastic. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers on our Facebook page. So go and follow us. We're up to 856 now. We only started doing this a few weeks ago. So we're very excited about how it's growing. Really, really good. All right. If you want to be part of our cash giveaway, what do you think of CJET today? I'm not in CJET now. We've got no comment on that. No comment on that. If I get any information, I will post it on the screen. Ed, if Ed has any thoughts on CJET, he'll put it in the text and I'll share it on the screen for you. But if I get any information, I will share it. I brought too many Sandbox and XRP yesterday, out of date. Bread for dinner. I love it. KO Mike. Any news on space? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. If I had, you know I'd deliver it to you. No, nothing yet. Okay. So I need to put this down. BREA. Top of show. Okay. Excellent. Virgin Galactic, nothing there yet. Jason Fallon, like the stream over in Australia. Fantastic. These are our members from around the world. If your country is not represented and you want to fly your flag, these are our members around the world. We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, and South Africa. These are our members around the world. Okay, now then, we're giving away $100 in cash. $100 in cash in just 3 days' time. Live on the show on Friday. Anyone can win it. It's free to enter. It's free for all. You can have as many chances as you want. If you want that, there is the cash giveaway. Let me give you the cash giveaway right now. This is what it looks like. If you go to that page, you will come to this page here. You will see the competition. And we've given away 9,846. There are actually only 30, I think it's 34, 35 people taking part. You can get one ticket just by visiting the page, or you can do all these things here and get 31 ways to enter. That's the number of tickets we've given away. All right. So we're giving it away in 3 days' time, $100 in cash, live on the show. It's free to enter, free for all. Has anybody claimed their daily bonus? Every day we have extra tickets. There we go. Someone has just claimed their daily bonus. All right, fantastic. We have got a scalp trade warning this morning. We are running our scalp trade. This was our scalp trade that went out a few minutes ago. The stock is up 34%. And we're waiting for news 45 minutes before the bell goes. And this was our scalp trade. Here it is. Okay, all right. The alert we're putting out now is take the loss. Take the loss. Paul Holt, just like the stream. Thank you very much indeed. All right. We're going to sell and take the loss on this one. We don't like it now. This is what we're going to do. So let me go back to this. Okay. So here's an update on our position for BREA. We're deciding to get out on this one. We're taking the loss on it. So here we go. We're going to sell all our position on BREA and swipe it up, and you'll see it go right now. We're out of the stock. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. We decided to get out on that one. We're done. BREA is done. Let's do better the next time. Okay. That will then become part of the follow-up video. All right. No worries. No apologies needed. No apologies needed, Ed. That's what it's all about. You win some, you lose some. That's the way it goes. We know that. We understand the risks. Okay. So I'll just take a note of when we did that. We did that at, okay, let's have a quick look. We did that at 17. 17, BREA out. Okay, 17, BREA out. Okay, done. I'll post it. Okay. We are out. Good luck all. We are out on that one. Done. There you go. If you want to comment to that bit of action there on our channel, we decided to take the loss. That's fine. That's the way it goes. Cost of business. There you go. You can reply to that if you want to. I'd like your thoughts on what we did there this morning. Was you in? Was you out? We had 80% of you was not in on that one. 4 out of 5 were not in on that one. Okay. There you go. Let's reply to all of your comments. Stephen, thank you very much indeed. Too late to get in on BREA. Yes. Too late. Yes. Yes. Out now. Okay, that one's done. I think I've replied to everyone. Yeah. If you comment, I will always reply to you. It's a great way for you to grow your Twitter platform. The best thing to grow any platform is to get engagement from another channel that engages with you. So that's the best way of doing it. All right, now then, we'll alert you if we get another announcement, but we are out of our scalp trades for now. Okay, we're not in anything at the moment. All right. Right, the overall portfolio is coming up. Let me share with you where we are right now. Okay, here we are. This is our overall position. And this is BREA, which we're out of right now. So there's my Roth IRA, just down today, $115. and 55.5. So we're protecting our money. We're good. We're out of that, and we've moved on. Good morning, Martin, Ilya. Whoops-a-daisy. That was a big comment. Let me change screen. Good morning, Martin. Coming back to our discussion we had on Bitcoin's near future. More FUD being spread by the SEC today. If Bitcoin manages to close above 25.2, this will be the bottom. Okay. Well, we'll discuss that on the show. Ilya, thank you very much for sharing that with me this morning. We'll discuss it. So talking of Bitcoin, basically what we're talking about, yesterday we put a video out, and I'd like your thoughts on it, please. It went out last night, and I'm really excited about this as well for the channel because I do not rank for Bitcoin at all. So for me, in 13 hours to get 196 views is really great on this video, and that is thanks to Ilya, who took part in it. People enjoyed the conversation. Thanks to Sensei, of course, for the debate and the discussion and the knowledge. That was a really good. So if you want to learn about Bitcoin and why we think, due to numbers and facts and figures, opposed to just sentiment, why we think it's going down to 15,000. Let me give you the link to the video. Here is the link to the video. Leave your thoughts and comments on it. I'd love to know your thoughts. I'll give it you twice so you can see it pop up there. All right? Okay. There you go. And thank you very much for all who have already watched it and taken part. Let me give that to my guest this morning. Lucid program, ups and downs. We must accept them all. Thanks, Ed. Indeed. Yes, we must. That's nice. I appreciate that. We're a tight family here. Look at that. Hey, Ed, if that makes you feel better, because Ed always feels bad if he gets one like that. He doesn't like it, but that's okay. People that know, people that have been doing it a long time, know you take the rough with the smooth. Good morning. Good luck to all trades. Ups and downs. We must accept them all. Thanks, Ed. Lucid program. There you go. See, Ed? See, everyone's fine. I'm fine. Lucid program's fine. Absolutely fine. We're all good. Okay, I've given you the link. I'm also going to share the link for those of you that want to watch that video who are watching me on Facebook this morning. Let me reply to you. There we go. Hey, guys. In fact, I'll open it up so we can be in the actual comments for you. All right, there you go. Here is the video if you want to see that. Video on Bitcoin. There we go. It's in the chat for you. Okay, excellent stuff. Moving along. We can close that one down now. We're out of it. We don't even care what it does. Virgin Galactic's taking a dive. Virgin Orbit. We're just showing you to see what... I kept this one stock, one share, to see what would happen once it's all done and dusted, to see here if they would return my one share. Just want to see what would happen. So it's only worth 1 cent, but I'm just holding that one share. I have one share of Virgin Orbit. I want to see what actually happens to it. Anyway, Tesla, Lucid, Apple today. Did you buy it yesterday? I thought that was a great headset. I think it's great. I bought it. What's happening with XRP? Good morning to everybody on TikTok this morning. Let me share TikTok with you now. Hang on a minute. Let me bring in TikTok for you. And for those of you who are watching me over there, we've got 33.9 thousand followers now. We're about to hit 34,000 followers. And today, there is one space available. If you click the star, see the little star that appears above my head, you can become a subscriber. We had Sensei yesterday do it and Ed Nev yesterday do it. Today I have one spot available. What does that mean? Right at the end of today's show, I will record a video to promote your channel. It works really well to get you subscribers and followers. What I will do is put your channel on the screen behind me, make a video like this, inviting people to check out your profile. And I will put it up here. I will tag you in it. I will post it on my profile, send it to you, and it will get you more followers because I speak to 34,000 followers. And if you want to promote your profile on TikTok, that's a great way of doing it. That's what people do. So click the star right above my head, and there is one space, only one space today. The first person who does it, because it takes me time to make you the video, upload it, promote it, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like that, I will do that for you right at the end of today's stream. The moment I finish, within a half an hour, you will have the video sent to you. All right? If you click the star, it's the first person who does it. Only one today. Okay? And so you get a good idea of what that actually looks like. This was Sensei's, and you can see it's already had 2,000 views promoting his profile. In fact, it's a partner with me on my YouTube channel. If you want to know about XRP and why XRP is about to explode, you can be part of Sensei Crypto's Crypto Challenge. Go and check him out. Follow me on TikTok. Highly recommend you do. If you want me to make a promotional video for you as well, subscribe to me on my TikTok channel. And if I endorse your videos and I like what you do, I'll make a commercial for you, just like this. Go Sensei. So that's what I do for you, okay, if you want that. Any news on... no, I've got no news today. Ilya on Virgin Galactic. No, nothing at all. Good morning, Octavio, one of our members. Has got a yellow badge. No, tell a lie. Is that... no, yes, yellow badge. Beg your pardon. Welcome to you this morning. Good to see you. Thanks for being here. Let me come back to my main account. Okay, now then, let's have a quick look. The overall portfolio is starting to come up. My ears, what happened there? What happened there? What happened there, Keaton? Did it get extra loud or something? Is that what happened? Let me know. Senior Senator Polito, it is a function of washing out all the weak hands. It's also a function of consolidation. Technical analysis is great, but like everything else, it's only good to a point. No, we take what you say. Take what you're saying. Keaton S, my ears, was it loud for you? It should have been the same level. Should be the same level as my voice. Good morning, all. Here he is, the man, the legend. One of our original members, who was a gold member from day one. This is his second account. He has two accounts. And this is Muzanella, one of our members here, and founder members as well, and a full-time trader and investor. Lovely to have you here, mate. Your advert was about 1 million decibels loud. Is what? Oh, was it? Okay. Let me address that then. Let me knock that back a bit. Thank you for letting me know. I thought it was the same level. It was It was displaying the same level. But anyway, I've I've turned it down now. Yeah. Anyway, is what happened. Keaton S. That's funny. I'm sorry about that. That's not good. I don't want that to happen. Anyway. We haven't got any more announcements at the moment. Welcome. Just as we've got one of our more members coming in, this is a new feature that we've got. It did get loud for a minute. I apologize. I've dropped it back. Anyway, we've got members now in 14 countries around the world. If your flag is not represented here, become a member and we'll fly the flag for you. All right. Okay. We did our first scalp trade this morning and we got out of it. It didn't go our way. We decided to cut our losses and walk away. You have to do that sometimes. Martin, I'd be inclined to call in once in a while. Don't always have enough time to watch the entire sessions constantly, but surely will participate. You are forgiven. Thank you. Ilya, we would love you to call in and be part of the show. You can also, you can phone in at any point, either just on a video or audio, and share your thoughts. We can make a video out of it. You can share links, share a screen, whatever you like. However, there is a catch to it. Unfortunately, we don't have anyone phone in who isn't a member because we want to verify people. We don't want bots and scammers and stuff like that. We want everyone verified, and it's one of the many members' perks. We'd love to welcome you as a member, and we'd love you to contribute to our show, become part of our team. We've got a team of researchers. You can work your way up and to be really involved in the channel if you want to. Anyway, here's the invitation to join. And I will give you the Discord as well, which is free, but you need to be upgraded on Discord to be able to call in. Let me give you the Discord. You might want to go and do that. At least you then can start to engage with some of the members. All right, there is Discord. Takes 10 minutes to get through, and I will guide you through it should you wish to go and have a look. All right. Let me have a look at the breaking news this morning, see what we've got here this morning. If I get anything, Sunak seeks off-ramp and escalating UK spat over COVID-19 probe. We've been watching that, of course. Now, also we've got China edging out Russia as sanctions redraw Kazakhstan trade. Interesting stuff. If we get more information from Bloomberg, we'll share that with you. Nothing yet that's important. Certainly not important to talk about flipping Harry, Prince Harry, who's no one in England can stand the bloke, pain in the backside. Anything to do with him, not interested. Flipping clown. Anyway. There's rumours now that him and Meghan are going to get divorced, so he'll probably be coming back to the king going, I'm sorry, it was all a joke, can I change my mind? You know, go, no, too bad, mate. Anyway, I take great pride in being a member of this community. Thank you for having me. Well, you were a founder member, so we have great pride in you, and your contribution to our channel has been exemplary. The support that you've been, the friendship that you've been, the generosity, buying everybody mugs and supporting us when nobody was watching. Any news on Virgin Galactic? No news on Virgin Galactic. If I had some news, I would share it, but thanks for asking. If I have it, Oliver, welcome, welcome, welcome. I will always share the information if I have it. Right, we are looking for our next scalp trade. We did one this morning. If you want to go and see what we did, we have very, very fast scalp trades in the morning. It's a new feature to our show, and you can learn why we do it by going to Sensei Crypto. I'll get the links below, all our videos. If you want to see exactly what we did, here is the poll this morning, and you can have a look on Twitter, see what we did, what we bought, and we got out, and there is the information if you want to go and take part in that poll. Hi Moo, says the Queen. Members now in 14 countries from around the world. Very exciting. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Checking my news feeds. Keep it coming in. Welcome to all our guests this morning on Facebook. Thank you very much to all of you. Wonderful. We've got a really nice little army now building up. We're up to 856 followers. We're trying to get to 1,000 if we can. There's a welcome in there from Eric B. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, Tesla is moving up slowly. Lucid, Apple. Apple, great. I bought back into Apple yesterday. Who bought back into Apple? I love it. I think it's a revolutionary product. That is, I'm very excited about that. Eric B, missed you, mate. Yes. Isn't it lovely having Moose back in? Right, let me open up the broadcast lounge for those that want to call in. Those that want to call in. We've got a message here actually in the broadcast in Discord right now. Muzanella has just posted something here. Let's have a quick look at what it is. In suggestions, I think it was. I just missed it. Where did it go? I just missed it. There it is. Suggestions. What is the suggestion you have for me? Unveil the influence of morning fluctuations. All right. I will take a look at that. Thank you, Moose, for your contribution. Moose and his tips. It says in there as well. Moose, can you keep your post to one channel. I say to everybody, keep your post to one channel. Pick which channel it's most relevant in. If you start posting the same post in several channels, it turns people off. It's not good for the it's not good for the engagement of the channel. People will find the information they want. Okay, if you try to push it and go into more than one channel, then it's not a good idea. People will find it twice and start turning off notifications. It's always a good practice to only do one post, the post that you do in one place. For example, Mike's in the breakfast bar, which is where we do our breakfast photos. If you then put that in general chit chat and stock tips, people would start to get frustrated with that. So anyway, thank you, Mike, for that. I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge because, Moose, you can call in. As you know, you are a member to our channel, honorary member, special member. There is the broadcast lounge. It's now open. So if you want to call in, the broadcast lounge is now open. All right, you can call in to the show. Let me have a quick look at general chit chat. Oh, general chit chat. So you, yeah, don't put it in. Don't put this in every single channel. All right, I just got to delete it. It doesn't work effectively for you if you put it in more than one channel. Just pick the one that's best for you, and then leave it with that. That's the practice. That's the best practice for the channel. Anyway, Apple, we like it. We had a typical buy the rumor, sell the news, but a lot of people jumped out of it, and I bought some more. I've now got 19 shares of Apple. I like it. I think what they did yesterday was phenomenal. I'm very happy to hold this long term. Okay, we've got no more news coming in at the moment from our scalp trader. I'm currently attempting to join as a member using this account. However, I need to log out of Google account and sign in with this. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Fantastic. We look forward to seeing that happen. Brilliant. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. Right. Let me just update everybody. We've got our cash giveaway. We're giving away $100 in cash on Friday. If you don't want it, we have charities we can donate it to on your behalf. So don't say, well, it's not worth it. It's only $100. $100 is a lot of money to me, and it's a lot of money to a lot of people. So take advantage of that. I've got a message here. Just popped in. Ren, hello. When was it? Oh, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. I was just about to announce that, but it was yesterday. All right. Rivian. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. Strong position for me now is Apple. It's 8.4% of my portfolio. Very nice indeed. This could do well today, I think. I think we had that sell-off yesterday, and I think it could do well today. I like that people are buying it in at this level. Very nice indeed. Oh, look at it go. There we go. It's now 8.48% of my portfolio. Very good. Liam, how hard should you go on XRP? XRP, shall I share with you my position on XRP? I think you all want to know about it. And if you want more information, you can get it from Sensei Crypto. There is my XRP on the screen now. This is our crypto challenge with Sensei, and you can see I've got $407 worth of it. You can see it on the screen there. It's my biggest crypto position in my crypto challenge. I have $1,000 of Bitcoin, but that's in my ledger. On my ledger, but it's our biggest position in the crypto challenge. I can't give you any more information than that because you have to be a member for that to know what's going on with the crypto challenge. Of course, we give all that information to our members. Anyway, just accepted the invite for Discord. Not sure if it went through though. Okay, Ilya, what you do It'll take 10 minutes to get through on Discord. All right. Eric B will greet you, I'm sure. If you go into Discord, on the top left-hand corner of the channel, this is a server. I don't know how familiar you are with Discord. It's a server with different channels. You will come in to the free open public channel. This is the welcome all here. When you come into the channel, go to the right of it and just scroll it down here and say hello. All right, and some of my members will pop in and say hello to you, and then we can welcome you in. And if you should become a YouTube member, then we can upgrade you, and you can then see all the public channels, all the members' channels, and the broadcast lounge where you can call in. It is a YouTube member only, but you can access all the public channels for free. You don't have to be a member for that. Okay. Once you appear in there, it will take 10 minutes because we have levels of security that check, verify, and all the rest of it. Excuse me. We will then share it. We will pop in and see you. Eric B's coming in. I can see him already coming in there. Coinbase down 18%. Engineer X, thank you very much indeed for that bulletin. Yes, and we know why, of course, as well, don't we? We covered it yesterday. If you didn't see the video, we talked about what's going on in the crypto scene. There is the video you need to watch. We had a great full technical analysis. Very, very important information, actually, from Sensei yesterday. And we'd love to share that with you. So here is that link if you want to go and check out that video and leave your thoughts and comments. Okay. Now then, I've just got, just come on the screen, a welcome from Eric. There you go. Hello and welcome. There you go. There's Eric B. Well, ready to welcome you in, Ilya. There he is, Eric B. He's very good at that. He's always popping in. Does a great job with that. That's Eric B. Popped in to welcome you. He's the welcoming committee. You get a free t-shirt when you come on in. Brilliant. I love it. Okay, let's move on to our positions. No scalp trade information right now. We've already done one this morning. If you want to take part and learn what we did and leave me your thoughts on it this morning, you can. We ran a poll on it. Was you in? Was you out? Did you like what we did? Copy link to the tweet. Here's the tweet. I'd like your thoughts on this post this morning. There it is. There was our Twitter this morning. We had 6 votes, and you can leave your comments to what you thought of this. Let me give it to my guests on Facebook as well. I'd like your thoughts on the poll, and I'll also give it to our guests on Rumble. Our guests on TikTok, I can't share the link with you. You need to be on one of these 3 platforms, all right? In the meantime, I'm eager to engage in a one-on-one conversation with you to explore strategies for optimizing my YouTube. Finally, you're taking me up on that. Yes, I can tell you so many things that will dramatically improve everything that you do on YouTube. Absolutely right. Please, please do. You can schedule a time with my Calendly. So schedule a time. I can give you time. Absolutely. Here is my Calendly. If you want to schedule an interview or time with me, there is my Calendly. Please go and do that. And then we'll have a one-on-one Discord conversation. Yes. I've been watching what you've been doing, and I've got a list of things. I've been waiting for you to say, I want to do that. It's a service that I provide to my gold members. I offer a 1 hour online one-on-one meeting every month if you wish to take me up on it. If you don't do it for 6 months, don't think you can have 6 hours in one go either. Don't do that. I like your t-shirts, Martyn. Yes, let's go. I'm going to keep my eye on Discord to see when Ilya arrives. We want to make sure. Right, we've got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're getting very, very close now. Sid, good morning. Now, if you are from around the world, tell me your native language and we'll welcome you in. Sorry, was out of the room. How's the music channel? Oh, let me go and have a look. Let me put our flags up for a minute and let me go and have a look for you. Thank you very much indeed. So, Switch account, Martyn Lucas, music channel. We're trying to get to 4,000. Oh, is it? Okay. I need to obviously set up a new account. Moose, text me and I'll send you the fresh link. Thank you for letting me know. I will set up a fresh link, okay? Thank you for telling me that. Obviously, it's been a while since I've done it, so I need to update the link, obviously. Okay. Right, last 365 days. Okay. There it is. Here is the update for our watch hours on YouTube for the music channel. 3,957.8. 3,957.8. We are nearly there. And it hasn't updated today yet. So we could be maybe 3,965, something like that. So we're nearly there. Anyway, for those of you that are trying to get my music channel to 4,000 watch hours, be really great if you could help me. We are so close now. Anyway, thank you ever so much for asking. So, Moose, if you send me a text, I will reply to you and set up a new Calendly. I've not done that for ages, so it's probably expired or out of date or something like that. Anyway, so I will check the settings, and we'll organize it. But anyway, thank you very much for asking and reminding me, all right? Okay, back to our main positions. I always loop until my boss shows up. 100% Eric. I only have one share of Apple, but I'm up 14.67. Very nice. Apple, there we go. We are looking out for our scalp trades. Nothing at the moment. We did one this morning. We posted it on Twitter. So go and check that out. And you can see what we did. Apple. We've got just over 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Nothing yet to report. Just a quick sip of water. Welcome, everybody. Let me just check. No, we haven't got a subscriber yet. We're giving away one promotional video today on TikTok. If you click the subscribe button, the little star above my head, see that? See just there? We're giving away one. We only got one today. If you become a subscriber at the end of the show, to celebrate, I'm at 33.9 thousand followers. I should be at 34,000 followers today. If you subscribe to me, at the end of the show, I'll put within half an hour of me finishing the show today, I will put your channel on this screen, make a promotional video and advertise your TikTok channel. And it gets you more followers and subscribers. That's what we do for our subscribers. Anyway, I've got one opportunity, one space. If two people sign up, it's the first person who does it. I'll have another one tomorrow, but right now I've just got one. Okay, we've got just over 10 minutes to go.
Between an established superpower and a rising rival will likely create global economic implications. Even absent a deepening military conflict, there is potential for a significant escalation of the US-China rivalry on other fronts. Been looking forward to this conversation for the last couple of days. The PIMCO economist Tiffany Wilding joins us alongside the head of US public policy, Libby Cantrell. Fantastic to have you both with us. I think this is a theme that is going to impact your world, and it starts with your world, Libby. This was a key feature of the piece. I was surprised by that. We talk a lot about US-China relations, geopolitical tension, but I think the end investor often doesn't know what to do with it. What do you think is going to change in the 5 years to come?
Yeah, Jen, so we talked a lot about this at our secular forum. Actually, we were, I think, surprised by how many guests brought this up as sort of a prevailing theme for the next sort of 3 to 5 years. I mean, interestingly, what we're even seeing with our clients here, based here in the United States, is that there's already a sort of a self-sanctioning in some ways of investing in China, or they're at least evaluating their allocations to China, whether existing or sort of future changes. So I think it's sort of from a secular perspective, difficult to know how obviously this is all going to.
We'll come back to that if we get anything more important. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Let's keep our eye on the positions. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Looping shorts. Oh yes, the shorts. That's really, really helpful because we're trying to get to 1 million views in 20 days, and we're 2 weeks out, so it's going to be extremely hard to do. However, if everyone plays the shorts playlist, we'll do it. The shorts are 1,000 15-second videos. So if you open the shorts for the channel, there it is, and you can actually, we got 900,000. We need 100,000 views to get to the 1 million, and we will get there. But it'll probably be in July. Well, we're trying to do it by the 27th of June, which is our second anniversary. So to do that, if you click the playlist of the shorts, we might do it. I'm doing everything I can, and I'm going to start ramping up more and more work to try and make more content and get those videos. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We had 18,000 views the other day for the Virgin Galactic flight. If we get a flight any day, then we'll do well with that. Anyway, effectively, immediately, I will exclusively share my tips on Musanella's Discord channel. How wonderful is that? Effective immediately, Musanella is offering this service. I will exclusively share my tips on Musanella's Discord channel. Now, we've just got Virgin Galactic pop up. Look at that. That's nothing, no particular news. It's just been bought. There's no reason for that. I'm not seeing any information at all, but great. Musanella's tips. So this is a members only perk. For those of you who don't know, Musanella is a full-time trader and investor, has clients. You know, this is a very serious member of our channel. Very, very successful channel, and he has on Discord. It's another place to check. So you've got Ed Nevius and you've got Moose doing this. Very, very interesting stuff. So if you go over to the Discord channel, Moose's tips. It's YouTube members only, and they'll be in here. There you go. There's Moose's tips. Fantastic. Right. So that's a really good feature, a new feature for our members. Fantastic. So thank you for that, Moose. And I will pop in and I will reply, and I will reply to every one of your tips in there. And I'm sure that the members will love that and engage with you and get a lot out of that. Brilliant. So make sure that you check. It's a members only for the Discord, but there you go. You've just got to be a member here on YouTube and I will upgrade your account. Good afternoon, everybody. Fantastic. We've just got a nice little bounce with Virgin Galactic. The stock market is coming up. The overall market, Virgin Galactic. We did our scalp trade this morning. We're out of it. We cut our losses this morning. Tesla, Lucid, Apple doing very well. It's now 8.46. I've got 19 shares now. I bought more. I had 18 before, got 19 now. I like what they did yesterday. We're keeping an eye on our scalp tips. Nothing to report right now. Just coming up to 5 minutes to go. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, NEE, Enphase, Bitcoin, Tilray, Robinhood. One of my big positions as well. SoFi, IonQ, Gove. IonQ we want to buy if we can get it down. It's up 166% now. Ford, Rio, Meta. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome, Craig. We're coming up to 5 minutes ago. We're going to bring in the timer right now. Here we go. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Sensei Crypto is sponsoring the bell. You too can sponsor our bell. And I'm very proud that we have members, paid members, in 14 countries of the world now. We go out in 14 languages and we actually have 14 different countries. That's just by coincidence, by the way. There's no reason for that. Okay, 5 minutes to go. Good morning, Tio Roll. If your country is not reflected with the flag, you can become a member and fly your flag. Here we go. Here are members from around the world. These are actually paid members of our channel. Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, and South Africa. We may have a few more from members that I've not been able to contact who haven't popped in for a while. I only started mentioning this a few days ago, so I don't actually know. But we could have, I think we've got France and Germany, but I've not confirmed it yet. I'm not gonna do it until I know 100%. Anyway, there we go. Hope everyone is doing well. 4 minutes to go. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Good morning to you. Getting ready to ring the bell. Now then, did Ilya make it into Discord? Ilya, are you still here? Takes 10 minutes to get through. I don't know if he's done it yet. But Ilya, let me see if he's still in the chat. Ilya, are you here? Are you here? There we go. It costs $2.50 each bell ring. That's right. That's right. That's like $50. That's $100. Yeah, you spend your money very quick, I'm telling you. The market doesn't seem impressed with the Apple glasses. Well, we shall see. We shall see. 3 minutes to go. I'm not so sure. And they're not Apple glasses either. They are a supercomputer. They are 2 4K TVs. They're a sound system. They are a phone. I mean, they're everything. They're not just a pair of glasses, right? We need to be absolutely clear what they actually are and what they're not. They are most certainly not just a pair of glasses. Anyway, Martin, have you updated my picture? No. I will do that at the end of today's show. Let me make it an urgent thing because you've asked me before. Moo's picture. Okay. I will do it at the end of today's show. That is a promise. Okay. I know you've been asking me now for a couple of, maybe a month or so. I will do it at the end of today's show. I promise. Okay. I've written it down. It's my number one thing to do the moment I go off air. Okay. So I will do that today. That's the one with the black mug in it. That's the one you want. Anyway, you've only been waiting like, I don't know, a month, 2 months. Right, the broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. Right, we've got an alert here. We've got an alert. And it is actually in Moose's tips. Here we go. What's going on with SoFi stock today? There we go. If you want to go and check this out, thank you ever so much indeed. It's just been posted by Moose. Moose is a trader and investor who we can rely on. His information is in stock tips, Moose's stock tips on Discord. Go and check that information out. Thank you, Moose, for posting that. All right, brilliant. Just been announced. Okay, here we go. 1 minute to go. We're coming up to the bell. few seconds to go now. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto, and we're about to ring the bell with Sensei in 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. The bell has now gone. Sensei Crypto, thank you very much indeed. I'm not quite sure what the heck happened there, but anyway, it was all a bit weird. But no idea what happened there. All right, the stock is the overall portfolio is going down. The S&P is going down 0.17. Virgin Galactic popped up this morning and straight back down again. Virgin Orbit, we're just watching it. Rivian, it's down 0.77 at the moment. Tesla is down 0.52. Yeah, there's $2.50 gone right there. Absolutely right. Lucid is down, but trying to push up. Let me go back into my welcome all screen and look out for Ilya to see if he pops in and says hello. All right, Apple, it popped up and straight back down again this morning. I'm holding my position. I will buy more if it goes lower. Amazon down to, well, it's pretty flat right now. McDonald's is up 0.56. Coca-Cola is up 0.21. J&J is up 0.57. Google is going down 0.32. Microsoft is down 0.26. We've got an information here. Mullen 8K filing is crushing the stock. I'm still holding my position. Don't follow my trades. Yeah, I'm still in Mullen as well, but I don't like it either. Walmart up 0.22. Tesco is down 0.1. Next Era Energy is up 0.43. Enphase down 1.27. Bitcoin, let me refocus Bitcoin. Let me bring that into focus. There we go. That's better. Bitcoin is down 1.12. Tilray is down 0.89 today. Awful, we all know. Robinhood is down, but trying to push back up again. SoFi is going down 1% at the moment. IonQ down 3.66, taking a bit of a drop. Ford, Rio, we might re-enter IonQ again shortly. All right, there's a quick update of where we are right now. Let's check if we've got any more news. Ilya, come into the light, into Discord, and I'll bring you into the show. All right, okay. Now then, let me update. Did we get anybody take part in our giveaway this morning? $100 we're giving away in 3 days, 9847. No one's taken any free tickets this morning. There are some tickets to claim this morning. 3 days to go. We're giving $100 away. Don't lose your opportunity to make $100. We'll even donate it to charity if you don't want it. So there you go.
And then basically wait for the next downturn to get it all the way to target. And we actually think it's implicit. If you look at the Fed's SEP projections, they don't have inflation getting down to 2% for several more years, and yet they have themselves even cutting rates next year. So we think implicitly, not only the Fed, but other central banks will go down that road.
So when Chairman Powell last year talked about pain, Rich,
yeah,
do we not need that much pain then? Do we just push out the timeline?
Well, I think there will have to be an adjustment in the labor market even to get to 2 point something. You see, the challenge now.
Okay, listening into that. My friend and I hold 20,000 shares and we are down 75%. We bought when it was 163. Yeah, we feel right with you. We do have Mullen as well, but I don't like the way it's been shorted continually. Let's have a look at it. Mullen Automotive. Here it is. Down again today. Look at 63 cents. I mean, this is just going to zero. Not good at all. Christine Cruz has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you ever so much. I got my first stars yesterday on Facebook. Thank you for those of you that watch me on Facebook. I now earn money for the very first time supporting the channel on Facebook. I can't believe it. I got some stars yesterday. 99 stars. And I thought, how much is 99 stars? 99 stars is 99 cents. It makes it quite simple. I didn't know. But anyway, thank you very much indeed. Tesla, taking a bit of a drop now. Unable to follow in Discord. You're not. What do you mean? Anyone can do it. It's not. Some can do it and some can't. Let me give you the link again. The link works. Everything's fine. You just need to verify your email, and then you can come on in. Unable to. There's no reason why. If you just follow the link and just accept the terms, it says, you know, are you over 18? I think you verify your email, whatever. But there's no reason anyone can do it. Unfortunately, even scammers can do it. However, I just delete them when they come in. But so anyway, just anyone can do it. It's not. You just got to go through the security checks. That's all. Anyway, good luck, Ilya. There's no reason why you can't do it. The overall portfolio is going down. Starting to trim now. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla still going down. Mullen, Lucid, Apple. I'm holding my position. I'm still going to bounce back in a minute. Bree is here. Good morning. Welcome to Bree. We've got a new guest. Welcome. We've got members, actual members in 14 countries around the world. If you're not a member, become a member. Oh, David Galea's liked the stream on Facebook. Thanks ever so much, David. Excellent stuff. Appreciate that. These are all our countries. Bree, what country are you from? These are our members from 14 different countries in the world. Very exciting, right? Apple's coming back. Amazon's doing well. McDonald's, Coca-Cola. What is up today? What is up? Well, we're looking at Apple yesterday. What is up right now? Amazon. This is one of my big positions. This is 16.85% of my portfolio. $6,800 in Amazon. I like it. Anyway, that's my position right there. Let me go back over to Discord and see if I can get Ilya in. I can't see him yet in the chat. When he comes in, hopefully we'll upgrade him on the show. Good morning, George Otterty. Good morning, George. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Bree, New Zealand. Bree is from New Zealand. Oh, Bree, if you become a member, you'll be the first person from New Zealand, and we can fly your flag. You get 20 times back what you put in. Just consider it. You get many, many perks and benefits. There's the invitation to join. And I can do it live on the show, put the New Zealand flag, and then we'll have 15 countries represented. Accepted the invite, said Ilya. It is asking to follow. It is asking to follow. When I click on it, it asks a server to select. There are none. Unable to proceed any further. Hang on a minute. Let me check it then. Let me check it. This is what happens if you click on it, all right? So I'm gonna do it with you. Whoops-a-daisy. Right, there it is. That is the link, right, that you see. You clicked accept invite, opening Discord. And there it is. So I don't know what to say, but yeah. I don't know what to say. Then when I click on it, it's ask a server to select. There are none. Can anybody else I mean, it is working, isn't it? It's working. I don't understand that. Anyway, Ilya, I don't know what to say about that. I don't know. Let me give you the link to Discord this way. I mean, I will give it a go. Hey, I will give it a go. See if I connected. Okay. Well, if you want to become a YouTube member, let me give you the link for it. And then I will give you all your benefits and perks once you do. Let me give it to you now. Here we go. Here it is. This is the invitation to join. There we go. There is the invitation to join. I'm so sorry that Ilya. Honestly, I don't know what that is. We get people join every day. So we got 648 now. I don't know why. I've never had anyone say they can't click on that link. Has anyone else got any ideas? Here's my Discord link. He's saying it's not working. And I'm interested to know why. Anyway, moving along. S&P, Virgin Galactic, Vorb, Rivian, Tesla, down 1.77. Bit of a drop today. Let me go to my Roth position. I'm still up 23%, so I'm not concerned. Mullen, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. I got in. Okay, what you got in? Yes, that's yeah. There's Bree. So there you go. This is Bree. See, Ilya, it is working. This is Bree. If you would tell Ilya what you did, this must be Ilya. Wow, we've got lots of people just popped in. We've got lots of people just... I got in. Oh, there you go. You got in then. There you go. Brilliant. Okay, now then. But like I said, I can't upgrade you until you're a YouTube member. But if you become a YouTube member, I can upgrade these counts. This is the link to become a YouTube member. Not a Discord member, a YouTube member. And I will upgrade you. So let me give you the invitation to join. The same with Ilya. Sorry, the same for Bree from New Zealand. If you become a member, a YouTube member, I will then upgrade you. All right? Then you can call in and see all the public channels and all the rest of it. All the members' channels, okay? Anyway, nice one. So Ilya, now you can see the public channels on the left-hand side. These are all the public channels that you can see. The welcome all the public channels here you can see for information. If you want to talk to me, the team, call in, get all the exclusive content. That's down that's down here. But that is a YouTube member. All right. Anyway. I'm glad you got in. It's under my screen name. Yes, I can see you. I can see you. I can see you right there. But I can't change your name and upgrade your account or do anything yet unless you become a YouTube member. Oh, thank you very much for my coffee. Do you still trade crypto? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Bree. Yes, we do still trade crypto. We've got Sensei Crypto who runs our crypto challenge. We have people on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. We have people on the $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. We have a technical analysis guy who studies crypto 24/7. When I say 24/7, I actually mean 24/7. The guy very rarely sleeps. He lives and breathes crypto for us. We've got a great team here. We've got Ed Nevis, our scalp trader. We've got Muzanella, our stock picker. We've also got Sensei Crypto doing our crypto challenge. So yes, we do. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Leah. Says Mike. So yes, we do. Yes, we are trading crypto. I have several accounts. And we have a lot of technical information with regard to our crypto as well. Here is my crypto challenge. Okay, this is the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, and Sensei will just work with us what crypto we're going to buy. Very, very sensible. We're not trying to pump or promote anything. We're not trying to create YouTube thumbnails to get you to watch. We're just sharing what we do. Our aim is here to grow the most honest, real channel on YouTube. I also have my ledger as well for my Bitcoin. So yes, Yes, we do. 5% of my portfolio is in crypto. And we're adding all the time. Okay. Moves on his, this is Moves on his other account. Whoops, a daisy. That's a big comment. Let me just change that there. Take into account my personal background, where my wife hails from, Croatia, and I proudly trace my roots back to Argentina. I kindly request the inclusion of the flags of Croatia and Argentina. Well, we can't. Oh, hang on a minute. Breaking news. I'll come back to that. Ladies and gentlemen, you will never guess what. You won't believe it. We have Cherry in the broadcast lounge. We have Cherry, so I'm going to unmute the broadcast lounge. Cherry, you're live on the show. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you?
Good. How are you?
We've got Cherry. She's come on in to be on the show. Fantastic. Where are you calling in from today, Cherry?
Michigan.
Michigan. Fantastic. I have to say, I've been talking to Ed, I've been talking to Sensei, and we've been watching what you've been doing, your trades, and very impressed with you so far. You're new to our channel, and you're doing really well. So it's lovely to have you here. How are you today?
Good.
Have you got a message that you want to deliver to to everyone that's listening to you? Or a question?
Sure.
Go ahead. Cherry, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
If you got something you wish to say to everybody, or you have a question to ask?
Yes, I do. I have 10K to invest, and what would you recommend?
Oh, blimey. Okay, let's have a conversation then, shall we? Right. Well, first of all, Cherry, it's lovely to have you on the show. And you've got $10,000 to invest. First of all, I need to be absolutely clear that I can't give financial advice. I don't give financial advice. You understand that? I'm an entertainer, but this is our family of traders and investors, and we're all, trying to support you in the best way possible. You got $10,000 and you're eager to get in and invest. Well, you've been watching us now for a few days, and you're learning the ins and the outs of the market. The first question I'd have to ask you is, if you're going to invest $10,000, have you got, first of all, any debt or any credit cards, loans, mortgages behind you?
No.
You don't. So you're in a very good position then, because you've already paid off those loans and debts and so on. You've got cash ready to rock and roll. Well, if you don't mind me asking, what is your age? Hello?
Personal.
Sorry? Cherry, I can't hear you. Could you reply to me? Oh, have we lost Cherry? I don't know if we've just lost for a moment. She disappeared. I don't know if she's still there. We'll keep that open for a moment and see if we can get Cherry back. But I think we've lost her for a moment. Let me just mark down this point when she called in, so I can go back and edit the video if I need to. Cherry, are you still with me?
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, I can hear you now. You're back. We lost you for a moment there.
Yeah, I don't have very good connection here in the country.
That's okay. That's okay. Let me just update something. So I was just asking you, if you don't mind sharing with us your age.
54.
Okay, 54. And it's important why I ask, because what is your objectives? What are you hoping to achieve? Because before you start investing, you have to know exactly what it is you wish to achieve. So is it to provide financial freedom in a certain period of time? What is your goals and objectives?
Financial freedom in 10 years.
In 10 years.
Or less.
Okay, so you've got a reasonable amount of time. Cherry, I think you're on the same sort of plan as me. I'm 54 years of age, and I too am looking for financial freedom in the next 10 years. I think for me, it might be a bit longer though, because I can carry on doing this for, till I'm 90, hopefully, so maybe never retire. But anyway, so the first thing you need to do, as Sensei has just pointed out on the screen, and if anyone wants to add any comments here, please feel free. Best always invest in education. No need to dive in and invest all too quickly, and don't be in a rush. These are comments coming in from the team. Well, the first thing I would say, Cherry, is what stocks and what companies interest you? Do you know what interests you, first of all?
Right now, I'm just pretty much focused on dividend income.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I am in SCHD and S&P 500.
Yeah, very sensible. The thing is, when you're 20 years of age, you can be high risk. You can be buying all kinds of stuff. You're looking for growth stocks before their S curve, before their explosion. Whereas as we get on in life, you're the same age as me. We have already got our home, we've paid off our mortgage, we've got no car loan, we've hopefully cleared our debts, and now we're just trying to make some money on the top to give us some financial freedom. So we don't need the high growth stocks, we don't need stocks to explode, but we would like to see a growth over the next 5 to 10, 15, 20 years or whatever. So for me, what I do is I look into stocks that I am interested in, because what I try to do is buy companies like what Warren Buffett says, buy the company, not the share price. Because at the end of the day, Sherry, the share price on the day is just what people are prepared to pay for it. It doesn't reflect the value of the company. It doesn't dictate what the company is actually worth, what it means. On paper, of course, it explains what the company's worth, but it's just the sentiment of people at that precise moment in time. So for me, it sounds like you're very much in a similar target to me. I like the S&P 500 because fund managers for years have compared themselves to it and used it as a benchmark. And most fund managers can't beat the S&P 500. And these are people far smarter than you or I, far more money, far more technology than we do, more information faster than we have it. And they struggle to beat the S&P. Now, because you've got 10, perhaps 10 years, and we've had a couple of years now of downplay, the chances are, if you just buy the S&P and hold it for the next 10 years, without any doubt whatsoever, you're going to be up without any risk at all. There's always risk, but it's not likely in 10 years' time that the S&P is going to be down, because if any company is failing, it'll be dropped from the 500, and one that is performing better will be replaced without you having to worry about picking stocks. Do you like picking stocks, or would you prefer a basket of funds having a broad spectrum?
Both.
You're like me. This is great. So I think you were asking me yesterday on Twitter what is a scalp trade. A scalp trade still belongs as part of your overall portfolio, I think, because you can make quick money very, very quickly. You asked me what a scalp trade is. So it's when we come into a stock and out of a stock very, very quickly. It's very high risk. If we start losing money, we're out of it. We're not deep researching the company. We're not investing in the company. We're just trading off the momentum of the stock, people buying in and so on. So I think you need a bit of that. That's why we do the scalp trades in the morning. You also need a bit of crypto. For me, it's 5% because it's definitely going to be around in the future. It's going to go for all different. It's going to go through many different guises over the years, but it's going to be here. But we don't want to go all in on it. We see it as a bit of a lottery ticket, but we want a little bit of it. But I think, if you're buying the S&P, you're buying, some people argue, if you buy the S&P, why do I buy stocks that are in the S&P? What's the point? And the reason for that is because, like, for example, I'm showing on the screen now, I buy Amazon, I buy Apple, and they are in the S&P. So people say to me, why do I buy Apple and Amazon? You've already bought Apple and Amazon in the S&P. It's because I believe that tech and these stocks have an extra growth potential. So I like to own them individually as well. But my bet, I can't give advice. I mean, I'm not allowed to. I'm not a financial advisor. But my thoughts to you, Cherry, is exactly what I'm doing with my money. You're now in a great position to invest. You've got no loans and debts and credit cards. You've said that. You're looking to get a well-balanced portfolio. I think you can't go wrong with the S&P. Add a few top quality stocks if you like Amazon. I mean, I buy Amazon because I use Amazon. I understand the company, and it's more than just online shopping. It's much, much more than that. But the most important thing, I think, for you, Cherry, is understand the company that you're buying. If you're buying individual stocks, take the time to read the balance sheet. We've run polls on our channel, and the majority of people never ever read the balance sheet. They just come on, see a show like this and think, well, I've heard of Amazon, that sounds a big company, and they buy it. They've no idea what they're actually buying. And I think if you spend the time reading the balance sheet, all you got to do is go to the company website, find the financials and read it. See if they hold money in cash. Because right now, we're not in a bull market yet. And we hopefully will be by the summer. But then some people are saying not until next year. We're not in a crazy time like we were a couple of years ago with COVID, when everything was going up. Remember, anyone can make money. The hard part is to keep it. And we're now not looking for wild, crazy schemes. We are looking for stocks and companies that actually make money. So if you're investing in a company, look at the balance sheet, find out, does the company actually hold cash? Does it have debt? If it does, is it a manageable debt? And is it strong? So things like Virgin Galactic, they've got debt, they're not making any money, they're extremely risky, and we are hoping that they're going to do well, but we've got no guarantees of that. So it still belongs in my portfolio, a small amount, because if I can see great upside to this if it all comes off. However, if it goes to zero, it's not going to kill my portfolio. Cherry, do you ever use margin?
I don't never borrow money.
Hey, good for you. Good for you. I think that's very, very wise, not because you can't make money by using margin, but I think if you've got a stable financial position where you're not in any debt, you're coming into the market with a clear mind, you're not stressed, you're not fearful, you're not worried about if it goes down, what am I going to do? Because most of the time we lose money because of our emotions. We get in and out of stocks way too fast. If we just sat on it, as long as it's a company that makes money, of course, not our scalp trades, we have to sometimes get out of those like we did this morning. If you have that mindset, the chances are you're going to do well. And when I've been talking to the team, they've been watching your trades, watching what you've been saying, watching what you've been sharing on Twitter and Discord, and everyone's really impressed with you. You've just started doing this, and you seem to be learning very quick.
Well, I started investing 5 years ago.
All right. Well, it shows. It shows. Anyway, does any of that help? Do you have any questions at all?
Yeah, the reason I called because I lost quite a bit of money with the individual stocks.
Yeah, we've all done that. We've all done that, and it's so important that as a family together, and what this channel is about is being honest. If I share on the screen with everybody, and this is really, really important, when I came into the market a couple of years ago, this was my position. Look, my all-time position, I'm down $38,000. I haven't lost it. I've still got it. And yeah, $38,000, Cherry, because I came in at the top of the market. I started doing this YouTube channel with COVID, and you know why? Because it killed my music business. And I started doing this, and as I started doing it, the markets came down. We had that massive pump through COVID. Everybody was at home buying the stock market, and then everything dropped off. And I could have then sold out and sat around and waited. Well, I was investing in myself because I was building a YouTube channel, right? And I was I had to prove to people that I was being honest and building a family of great investors and traders by staying in the market and continuing broadcasting through all the pain of all of that. So even though I'm down $38,000, so far this year to date, I'm up 13%, nearly 5,000. So things have turned around because I've remained investing. I've not got out of the market. I cleared my margin because I had margin when I started, and I've remained, fully invested. But you only learn things from mistakes. You only learn from the hard times. When you start making money, you think it's easy and you can't lose money. But you learn things when you lose money. And I hope that by staying live and doing what I was doing, it was demonstrating that I'm here to help people, not just to pump my own channel or talk rubbish, because I could have just quit and given up and all the rest of it, but I've stayed in. But anyway, Cherry, it's wonderful to have you on the show. Just before I let you go, it's nice when we get people call in to leave a little message that I can play during the shows. You may have heard a few. It's when someone says why they joined the show and why someone should become a member and be part of our family. It becomes like a little 30-second, if you like, little commercial for our show, and I often play it throughout the shows. Would you like to do that?
I joined your show because you're honest. I want to learn more, and I don't feel alone, Really enjoy your show.
Thank you very much, Cherry. What we will, I'll use it. I'll edit that down. Thank you so much, Cherry. Thanks for being here. Love to. Does anybody want to say hello to you before you go?
Thank you.
Okay, Cherry, I was just losing your signal there. Thank you ever so much for calling in. There's Cherry, one of our members. Thank you ever so much, Cherry, for being on the show today. Absolutely great. I think we just lost her a little bit at the end there. So I just need to mark down the moment she gave me that little bit there. I can use that. Let's have a little look. And it was 1:32. 1:32, Cherry. How lovely to have Cherry on the show today. Absolutely brilliant. Camillo Atkinson, welcome to Camillo. Swap out the batteries, yes, and only in 24 with just 2 hours of battery. There's a conversation going on here. I have no idea what it is. Anyway, what are your thoughts on Apple new products? I love the Apple new products. I think they're fantastic. Welcome to Taiwan. We don't yet have a member in Taiwan. If you become a member today, we'll have our first member in Taiwan. Now then, I have to go back now to this comment. Take into account my personal background, where my wife hails from Croatia, and I proudly trace my roots back to Argentina. I kindly request the inclusion of the flags of Croatia and Argentina. So, Musanella, you are from Argentina. You are a member from Argentina. Well, we have to have it. We have to have the flags, accurate. So you are a member and you are from Argentina. So we can add Argentina. I can't add 2 countries because your wife's not a member, right? I have to be honest about everything. And so if you are from Argentina, you are a member of our channel, I will absolutely gladly add you. So we'll do that right now. If I don't do it now, it won't get done. So we now have 15 countries, members in 15 countries. So here we go. Here's Argentina. Let me bring it up on the screen and I will do it right now. So I will go to the... I will do it now. I've just got to go into here and here. And I can do it right now. Argentina. Right, so I need to look for the flag of Argentina. There it is. There it is. And 72. Make a couple of adjustments. There you go. Okay. We now have a member from Argentina. Okay. There's the adjustment being done. All right. Okay. Argentina is now represented. Thank you very much indeed. We have 15 countries represented now. Okay. Let's read some of these comments. We got a guest here from Taiwan. Imagine if they became a member of our channel. Let me scroll down and see. Bitcoin's going up, says Bree. Hey Martin, Moose has 2 accounts. He's a member on. He's a member on with that. Yes, if he's a member on both channels, but if he's a member on one, I can only accept one, of course. If he's a member on 2, then I can add Croatia because he can be a member for his wife. Moose, are you a member on both accounts? If you are, I will add it. Of course I will. There is Argentina on the screen. Did you see it? Go across. I'm from Germany, but not in Germany right now. Tio Roll. Tio Roll is a member. I'm from Germany. Tio Roll is our German member. Fantastic. I thought we had somebody from Germany. All right, let's add Germany as well. Okay, here we go. I believe we got Sensei in the green room. Let me add in Germany. This is so good. Germany, here we go. Let me just do this now for Tio Roll. I thought we had someone from Germany. I'm really glad about that. Okay. Two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Let's make the adjustment. We've now got a member in Germany. Fantastic. There you go. Germany will come on the screen now. Brilliant. Okay, I think we've done that. Would you look at that? Bitcoin's now trading above. Bitcoin, we're going to discuss that. I think we've got Sensei in the green room, and we can discuss that now. Gensler was discussing the price of Binance and invading us with law. Coinbase have been working with the FEC in the UK. Do you think they will suffer the same fate? I want to buy the dip. We're gonna cover now. Sensei Crypto is in the chat, so let me go over to Discord right now and bring Sensei in. Let's have a quick look. Unmute him. Sensei Crypto, you are live on the Martyn Lucas Investor Show. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me on, Martin.
My pleasure. We've got a lot of guests, a lot of questions here about what's going on with Bitcoin this morning. Let me put it on the screen. And before I do, we had a very successful video from you yesterday, Sensei. I want to thank you. Just before we have a conversation, look at this, guys. Yesterday, Sensei Crypto called in for a great conversation, and this was the video we put out last night. If you've not yet checked it out, why we put out last night, we think that Bitcoin is going down to 15,000. Bookmark this and if you get the chance, go and have a look at this. But I think we're now going to get some more great information from Sensei. Let me just put this in the chat for you. Has that just come through? Make sure it's come through. It has. There you go. Check out that video at the end of today's show. But now I'm going to bring Bitcoin back up on the screen. I'm sure we'll get some information on XRP as well. So anyway, let me line it all up. I will have my second membership later today. Muzanella, I will add Croatia once that is done. Absolutely right. We'll have a member in Croatia. 16 countries. I look forward to that. All right. Okay. Let's do it. breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Bitcoin is coming back up again today, and we had a great interview last night with Sensei Crypto. He's on the phone right now, and we're going to learn a bit more about Bitcoin and where we see it going today. So, Sensei Crypto, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you for having me on the show, Martin. I'm doing well.
So, what's going on with crypto today? What's your thoughts?
Yeah, so I came on the show yesterday. I'm sure you remember I said we discussed the SEC suing Binance, and what did I say? I said they're coming after Coinbase next. And what do we see? The SEC has sued Coinbase once again today, driving Coinbase stock price down, I think around 16%, 20% today. It's recovering a bit now, but they went after Coinbase, and we discussed it on this show yesterday.
So you were right again, Sensei. Where do we see it going now? What is next for crypto?
So yesterday it was a bit different. We saw the SEC take action against Binance. We saw the crypto tokens such as BNB and Bitcoin fall heavily. After the news today, we haven't seen the crypto markets react too much. We've seen Coinbase stock fall. So I think a lot of the fear has already been taken into account yesterday, which is good. It shows that the crypto is holding up fine, and they're not too scared about the SEC's overreach. It's a shame to see the SEC doing this. I mean, especially with Coinbase, I don't understand. They've cited that they've been acting, selling unregistered securities, they said while Coinbase calculated decisions may have allowed them to earn billions, it's done so at the expense of investors by depriving them of protections to which they're entitled. Don't really know what that means. It doesn't make too much sense to me. They're saying they've done this since 2019, but they accepted their IPO in 2021. So it's very strange. I don't understand how they can accept an IPO, how they can say the business for an IPO and then decide to do them after when they haven't changed how they're operating as a company. It's once again the SEC regulating regulation for enforcement, which is just not the way to go. There is no clarity for this crypto market. It's holding the US back in terms of investment, and it's allowing countries like Dubai and the UK to move forward, because Dubai and UK are creating a lot of regulation and clarity. Like, I'm not saying the crypto market shouldn't be regulated. I'm just saying there should be some sort of outline of how what a security is, how to operate as a crypto company, and the US isn't doing that. They refuse to say what compliance means. They approved an IPO knowing what the Coinbase business model is, and then they sued them for non-compliance. It's crazy to me. The SEC is overreaching again, and there just needs to be a completely different regulation board for crypto, and the SEC should just stick to stocks and whatever they do. There needs to be a whole new regulation body in the US for crypto that understands what's going on.
Fair enough, and I agree. Once we know where we stand, I mean, that's what the markets trade on, isn't it? Certainty. We like to know, the playing field. We like to know the rules. When you got the rules, you know what to follow. You know where to go. As I've got you on the show, share with me your thoughts and on XRP, and then tell everybody how they can learn about the scalp trades that we do in the morning, every morning that we post, and how people can learn more about your crypto challenge, please.
Yeah. So at the moment, the crypto market is uncertain. Our prediction is we're hitting 15,000 or at least 20,000 before we head higher. So in terms of the crypto market, we're not investing too broadly in Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. We have, however, got a large amount of our 1K to 10K challenge, which you're following in XRP. And the reason we do have our money in XRP is because it doesn't matter what the broader market's doing. What we want to see is Ripple win the case, Ripple settle the case, Ripple come out with a win, which could be the SEC, the court deciding that XRP ongoing sales are not security, but maybe their initial sales were security. They pay a fine, but we'll have clarity that XRP is not a security. That would be a win for Ripple. So that's what we're looking for, and I give it a 66-70% chance that there will be some sort of win for Ripple. And when that does happen, it will be the first cryptocurrency that would have regulation that can attract institutional investment. And that's why most of our portfolio is in XRP. And when we see that happen, I mean, there's key dates. There's the 14th of June where the emails are coming out. The Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, says that the court will make a decision in weeks, not months. So we're looking in the next three to 6 months, maybe sooner, not much later. I don't think we'll have a decision, and I see it as the best risk to reward token in the whole cryptocurrency asset class. So I have personally gone all in. The 1K to 10K challenge, around 25% of the money is dedicated to that. And if you do want to see exactly why we're buying XRP, more information, you want to see how we're trading XRP, how we're trading stocks like Coinbase. We did a trade on XRP recently, which we've hit 2 take profit areas, trading down 5x leverage. You've made around 100%, so you've doubled your money. So that's a great XRP trade we had. We had a Bitcoin trade a month ago where we predicted the breakout to 32,000, and that was a great trade. Another 150% we would have made on that. So we have all of this information on the Discord. If you want to check it out, you can look in the description. There's my website link. It's sensei-crypto.com. You can join our plan. I'll add you to the Discord. You can ask your questions. We're going to have an educational course coming out this summer, which will explain how we pick our crypto, how we pick our trades, how Ed does his scalping. Ed Nevius has joined our Discord, and he has all his tips that we provide here in the morning. More tips we have on the Discord. You can ask him why he's choosing those stocks to invest into scalping in the morning. He's the expert in scalping. I don't do too much day trading, so you can ask him all the questions on the Discord. And yeah, we'll provide that to you every morning, and there'll be additional information on my Discord and the Sensei Crypto Discord.
Brilliant. Fantastic. Now, you'll see on the screen, folks, if you just look here, the link will be below, and I'll give you the link above my head in a moment. But we're running a poll on Twitter right now asking you, will XRP be the #1 by market cap within 5 years? And we have 9 votes so far, and we have 55% say yes. So if you'd like that, all you've got to do is look above my head, just about there, and that will be the link. And as Sensei Crypto Ali says, below in the description of this video, you will see all the information for Sensei Crypto as well. Now, you were noticing above the top of the video there, I've got members now in 15 different countries. Incredible. We're trying to reach the whole world, become a part of our family, and also on Friday, thanks to Sensei Crypto, we're actually giving away $100 in cash. Let me share with you. Sensei, stay on the line. I'll be right back with you in a second. This is our giveaway sponsored by Sensei Crypto, and we're giving away $100 in cash on Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. Scroll back down here and you can see you can pick up 1 ticket to win, or you can do as many as you like. Now, if you look at that thinking, I've got no chance, there's 989,800 entries. There's only actually about 35 people who have taken part. So you too can have hundreds of tickets by simply taking part in those actions, or just one. But we are giving away that star prize of $100 in cash on Friday. Sensei, over to you, because that was donated by you and MSK. Thank you to MSK as well.
Yeah, I'm just trying to spread as much education as we can, and that's what we're doing. We're giving $100 away, so I wish everyone the best of luck in that. I'm looking at the Coinbase chart now. It's recovering well. I mean, I have these charts with exactly where the support and resistance is, and it's bouncing off a nice support level. I'm going to quickly look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is recovering well. I mean, it's nothing to get excited about. It's up 0.65% on the day. So it's holding up, which is good to see. It's at a key level, this 25,000 level we want to hold. Otherwise, the next level is 23,000, then 20,000. But this 25,000 level, it's good to see that we're holding it. And I'll keep an eye on the charts and update you when we have something a bit more concrete.
Sensei, once again, thanks very much for calling in.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
There we go. There was Sensei this morning calling in for a Bitcoin crypto general update. And during that, let me write that down. BTC, Bitcoin, BTC. That went out at, what time did that go out at? Someone just asked for a link. I'll give it to you in a second. Okay, 149. So that's 145. Okay, can we please have a link? What would you like a link to? What link would you like? First of all, I will give you the link for the $100 cash giveaway. Maybe that you were after. martynlucas.com/giveaway. Everything's always on my website. The links are running below on the ticker below here, and also in the description of all the videos. There is the cash giveaway. If you'd like to get Sensei's information about our scalp trades, our crypto challenge, there is that. You can learn all about that as well. I need that code, Sensei. Sending all these people to you. He's going to give me a code in a minute, so he can see how many people come through my links. Anyway, I want my code. Where's my code? I need my code. Anyway, I'm sure I'll get that today. Right. Okay. We are coming up towards the end of the show. We're going to do Day Trader of the Day. As well. Now then, I've got a bone to pick with everybody. You know what I'm going to say. There's 50 currently watching on YouTube, which is very, very nice, but only 35 have tapped the like button. And come on, guys, smash the like button, tap it, like it, hit it, I don't care. Do something, because it just shares the video out to more people. So shall we have a quick look? Put a minute on the clock. Let's get the likes up. Come on. We've got 50 watching. There we go. 50 watching and 36 likes. Can we get 40 likes in 40 seconds? Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Just checking on TikTok. Did we get a subscriber today? Am I making a promotional video for anyone? Not today, no. 36. Come on, 4 more likes. And let's do 40. Come on, we can do 40. We've got 52 watching, 36 likes, 37, there we go. 3 more, 38. Oh yeah, what it does when you like the video, it shares it out to more people. 40. There you go. Best members, best audience in the world. Look at that. We've gone right through it as well. We didn't even stop at 40. We kept on going. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Let's go back to our main trading account now. Market's looking nicer now. Yes. Looking good. 7 Mad Baby. 7 Mad Baby. Where are you from in the world? These are all our countries represented as members. Where are you from? So I gave you the link for the crypto challenge. I gave you the link. Even I did it then. Keaton S doesn't believe in smashing the like button. He believes in tapping it gently. Thank you very much. There we go. We've now got members in Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, and Germany. Fan-flippin-tastic. If you're not mentioned, please become a member and add your flag to the show. By the way, does someone know where 22 is lately? No, we don't. He was from the Channel Islands and Philippines, living in the UK. You're from the Philippines. We'd love to welcome you as a member, and US, but you're originally from the Philippines. All right. If you're from the Philippines, that's where you were born, you could be a member and the first person to fly the flag for the Philippines. Francisco Rangel is from Mexico. Well, let me give you the link if you want to be a member of our channel. You get 20 times back what you put in. Just understand them. The live shows are provided by the members. You get 20 times back what you put in. You get fundraisers, you get exclusive content. I reply to all your comments, make videos for you, run polls for you, celebrate your birthday, live on the show. many things that I give to you if you become a member. Nick Gerard is from is it Australia? Yes, we've got Australia already in the show. Brilliant. I call what just happened with BT selling off over the past 2 days as its bottom. Ilya, do you want to call in? You set up Discord today. If you just become a member, you can call in, share your links, share your knowledge, share your information. Oh, right, everybody. A warning. Okay, alert here. I always like to warn everybody of these things that happen on our channel. This is a scammer. This is the sort of thing that we get on Discord. If anyone messages you on Discord and pretend to be me, they are not me. See this here? They always use WhatsApp. They just come in, a brand new person. That's what the little green leaf means. And what do? I take them off completely and report them to Discord, so they can't actually appear anywhere else either. So there we go. Don't even bother doing this because I will just have you taken off completely from Discord. There you go, gone. If anyone messages you, please be careful. I will never message you, never sell you anything. I'm here to give you things, give you free money, give you the support of the family, help you in every way I can. That's what we're all about here. We're not here to sell videos. We're not here to promote anything. We're here to help people. That's it, 100%. You watch because you like the family and feel engaged. We're building a family. We're not selling videos. It's not what we do. Okay, and we certainly don't try and scam people like that. Awful. Anyway, really hope you're right, says Bree. You got a subliminal message from somewhere, Ali. Ilya, I think about it, Mark. I'll think about it. Yep. Well, think about it. All right. It's only a couple of bucks a month. Basically, what you're doing, you're supporting the live shows, and then I give you back 20 times what you give me. That's the idea. And I do. I go to work for you. We have lots of exclusive content for the members here that only members see. We have members-only events, birthday celebrations, 20-minute fundraisers. The list goes on and on and on. And I'm here to help people. That's what it's about. It's not to try and get you to give me $2. It's nothing to do with that. Right? However, it does support the show. And without it, I would have no income at all. It's the only thing I live on. Let's have a little look. Right. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic's up. Very nice today. Good. Good. Tesla. Mullen still going down. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. Down 4.59 now. Google doing well. Microsoft. Okay. Let's now go over to Day Trader of the Day. This is the part of the show where we have a little competition and to see who's the best trader of the day. So let's bring everybody up to date. Now, we've got 20 days to go before we get to our second birthday. We're trying to get to 1 million views. We're 2 weeks behind schedule to do it. But so I've got a short playlist with 1,000 15-second videos. If at the end of the show you open up this shorts playlist and you let it run, we need another 100,000 views. We've got 900,000 now, 100,000 to go. And what you do, you either use the link or you click the playlist, look, and then all you do is scroll to the bottom and you'll find the shorts playlist. Right at the bottom, there it is. Let's see it. Right at the bottom. Shorts playlist. And you just play all. Let it run. And we might just get 1 million views before our anniversary, our second anniversary. Wouldn't it be exciting? Alrighty then. I've got a message here. I'm not sure what this is. Bree, 25 USDT equals 2570 USD. Thank you for that information, Bree. If you want to promote your favorite crypto, it's martynlucas.com/tip. If you want to share your favorite crypto on the screen, it will call your name out. It will do a message from you. And once you do that, we will then spend the next couple of minutes discussing your favorite crypto. That's another thing that we do for you as well. Right, I'm going to wrap up the show. I want to thank everybody over there on TikTok. Algeria, good morning to Algeria. If you pop onto YouTube, become a member, we'll fly the flag for Algeria. We'd love to have you on the show. Anyway, the link's in the profile, just up there, look. All right, okay. Let's check our overall position and see where we are. And before we do day trader of the day, just my current position. Thank you very much, Bree, for sharing that with us. Here is my overall position now, $41,000. There is the Roth IRA just down slightly today, but overall we're just $230 under now from an all-time high, 55.6. We're about $500 away from an all-time high, so not too bad today. We're okay with that. Right, let's do our day trader of the day. Want to welcome our guests on Rumble. Someone sent a message yesterday. Did everyone see it? We made the top spot yesterday on Rumble. Did anyone see it? There was a post yesterday in Discord. I think it was in General Chit Chat. Let me have a quick look. General Chit Chat. There it was. It was sent in from high and low. I ranked #1 in finance yesterday on Rumble. Thank you very much indeed for those who liked and commented on this. High and low, thanks for sharing that in. That was really, really great. Let's have a look. Have we got any other things to cover for everybody? I think, no, I think we've got everything covered there. Okay. Let me close the broadcast lounge down now. So you can't phone in. The phone lines are down. We've turned them off. Okay, that's that. And let's do day trader of the day. Let's see who's up and down. We've got no more scalp trades running right now. We had one this morning. If you want to see how we got on, look at the first 5 minutes of the video. We decided to sell. We took a small loss on it and we got out. We didn't like where it was going. We're not going to look at it now. It's irrelevant. Of where it is. I have no idea. But this was the poll. I'd like your thoughts on it. Did you like what we did there this morning? Would you have stayed in? Was you in? Was you out? Was we being crazy? There is the post there on Twitter. And every one of my members' comments, I will reply back to you. That way, helping you grow on Twitter, should you wish to grow on Twitter. I've got no comments to reply to right now. I just want to make sure that I did. Now then. After the show today, I've got to do, what is it I've got to do? I've got no video to make on Twitter. I'm going to set up my Calendly for moves. And we are going to release at the end of the show some tickets because we've only got a couple of days to go now, 3 days to go to give away $100. So in the next half an hour to an hour, look out on the competition page. I am going to release some more tickets and it will be things like retweeting the posts, stuff like that. All right. Space is nicely up today. Yes, it is. Ilya, there is no reason right now. I'm checking information all the time from Virgin Galactic and I haven't got anything, but it's good to see it doing well. Space is spicy. Queen of self-braiding, I love it. Okay. Now, another thing that we're doing on the birthday in 20 days, we're going to be drinking on the show. It's going to be a members exclusive chat. It's going to be, you know, it's a special day for the members. I'll be drinking. We'll be celebrating. There'll be phone-ins. There'll be special events going on. If you want to be part of the birthday, and you want me to play, you know, a little video from you or just an audio clip, send something into Discord. Maybe you just want to say why you love the show, you know, your memories of the show. You've been a member now for a year, 2 years, whatever it's been. Anything, or if you're a brand new member and you're thinking you just joined the family, what's it all about? Send in via Discord And on the birthday, I will actually play the videos and the clips and all that stuff. So that'll be nice to do that if you want to take part in that. All right. Okay, let's go to our main position and see, are you up or down today? I am up today 0.21%. When the first person posts, we'll put a clock on. All right. When the first person posts, we will do that. Now, if you're watching and you're enjoying all this and you want to get all the inside information that we share exclusively in our newsletter, there is the link for our newsletter. You can sign up for our free newsletter, and there it is. Remember, when you click on it, please don't be in a rush. Check the verification email it sends you. Always goes in your junk folder because it is, of course, a newsletter. Make sure you verify it. We've got about 89 people who have signed up, but they'll never receive the newsletter because they never verified it. You can do it again. Keep doing it until you receive the verification email. Then you know you're receiving it. It still might go into your junk folder on Sunday, but at least you can go and get it. Right, here we go. So I am up 0.21. Stephen Lewandowski up 1.38. George up 2.98. Eric 0.28. Queen of Self-Braiding is also up today, 0.13. Very nice, but by a mile, George Otterty is today up. Fantastic. All right, just a few seconds to go. I think George is going to be our winner. Absolutely great. Anybody else? This is looking very nice indeed. Portfolio looking strong. Very nice. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can jump it. It's my show, right? Okay, so the winner is, without a doubt, 2.98. So thank you for your honest trades. Congratulations, Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius, thank you for your information this morning. This morning it didn't pay off. That's okay. That's the way it goes. We took a small loss. We've had no more trades today. Nothing we really want to jump in with. We're not always going to post trades. We're not always going to do it. We're going to do it when we feel it's right. Some you win, some you lose. That's the way it goes, but we win a lot more than we lose, which is the most important thing. Okay, so there we go, and give George Otterty as well a thumbs up and a round of applause. All right, so look out for the giveaways. In the next hour or so, I'm going to post some more opportunities for those of you that want to claim some more free tickets to increase your chances of winning. There it is. All right. There are your ticket. There's your opportunity there. But now it's time to roll the credits. Let's see who the stars of our show was today. We had lots of people liking Facebook today, which was great. Really appreciate that. We had David Galea. That was great, really good. We had Christian Cruz as well. We had lots of people. Paul Holt, Jason Fallon, Mike Flynn. Lots of people that shared the post this morning on Facebook. So we're not far away now from our target. Anyway, let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Where is my credits gone? There it is. Right, let's get out of here. Thank you very much indeed, folks. Roll the credits. Let's see who the stars of our show was. And we can now turn the studio green. There we go. We are green. We were red this morning, but we are definitely green. Someone should have told me, hey, turn the show green. Stars of our show today were Silver Surfer celebrated 6 months of being a member. Thank you ever so much indeed, Silver Surfer. Right, look out for the videos that are going to come out shortly. There could be some free prizes in there. So make sure that you've got your bell rung and you will be there as the videos come out. Thank you ever so much, everybody on Rumble today. Thank you for all of you that joined me on Facebook. Lots of comments today. Thanks to all of you. How close are we now? 856 followers to our Facebook page. We're trying to get to 1,000. 856. We haven't gained any today. Okie dokie. All right, I think that's it. I will see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Make sure that right now, as this show ends, click the Shorts playlist. Let it run, please. There's 1,000 views to get. Every 15 seconds, we'll play a new video. Do that and we'll get 1 million views. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.